Hello, my name is Franklyn Jacks. I'm really sorry I can't be there with you in person today. Here I will be doing a video audition for the role of Jack in your production of Jack of Hearts. Here I shall be reading the part of Chris from the play Free as a Bird. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. I'm dancing round my girlfriend's apartment with me wank out. I am completely butt-arsed naked. I have the music blasting completely in my own world. I've been feeling great. Got a raise from work, my family's great, my relationship is great, life is an absolute kiss. So, I'm tearing it up, busting out moves I didn't even know I had in me. I was listening to some dubstep and I got totally lost in it. Like I flew off the deep end, kind of lost in it, okay? I was doing slides, jumping on beds, doing handstands, making up lyrics, the whole nine. But then it happened. My whole world came crashing down in one split second. As you know, my girl is moving, and I completely forgot that her real estate agent was coming by to show the place to potential tenants. So, while I was deep into my naked dance performance, little did I know, I had an audience. I had my eyes closed, I was doing ballerina spins. Yeah, don't ask me why. And when I opened my eyes, I found the real estate agent and the middle-aged couple staring at me, their mouths agape and their eyes bulging. In that moment, I did what any rational man would do. I screamed. Yep, I screamed, they screamed, and I ran into the bedroom. Yep, a day in the life. Thank you.